guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be mixing up all of my glitters. I have counted the ones that I'll be using and I have 65. The other ones are just duplicates of current ones I've already got. I didn't quite realise I had so many. I was quite shocked when I realised. But you can never have too many glitters. I have quite a good variety. I have loads of different colours. I have ultra fines, fines, chunky. Also have some funky shapes. I'm just mixing the whole lot into one. I apologise about my morning cranky voice, but this will be all the talking I'm doing throughout this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy the video.